So first of all, good afternoon everyone who are sitting here watching this video here and watching this behind the screen. And you need to understand this lecture properly. And you are welcomed in live lecture of English, so please get connected. Okay? And try to understand me and my views which are being released by me. Okay? So focused. We try to understand about the basic concept of tenses. What is the contribution of tense for our English, and how can we learn this process very easily, and how can we overcome the rules of tenses? Without tenses, we cannot complete our English. Okay, English language is totally based on actions. Without actions, subject is nothing, and without subject, actions nothing. Okay, action is totally based on subject. Subject is based on actions. So combination, very strong combination both. And when we are using subject, verb, and object, then we give a form of sentence. Very simple. So first we have to understand about tenses. So what is the meaning of tense? How can you explain it very easily, and how can you understand it very easy? So tense means verb. Okay, mean of tense, verb. First of all, you know mean and means. What is the difference between mean and means? Okay, very vast difference. Mean is called matlab, all right, and mean is called also bad, all right. But means is used in the form of resources, sansadan, okay, means of transportation, means of income. You can say that different way. So first, tense. Tense is time. Time is called tense. And tense has its own importance in language. If we say something, then we have to use time. Without time, we cannot say, we cannot write, we cannot do. Okay, nothing. Everything is nothing. Okay. So tense is time. Do you know about it? Tense is called time. And we have three times. We have only three times: first, present, past, and future. What we say, what we do, what we think, only three times: first, present, second, past, and third, future. Future is totally based on imagination, forecast. And present, we are living, we are doing, we are here. And past, we have done something in our past. Okay, past is related to present, present is also related to past, and both are related to future. Our actions will decide our future, present action will decide future. So future is totally based on present and past actions. All right, so time three. Don't say three. Three, right? Okay, you have to say exact pronunciation of English words. Pronunciation must be fine, must be exact according to standard language. Okay, three, not three. Okay, three. Sound release easily. Okay, so present, past, and future. As you have known about it, future is totally based on imagination, and past, present. We are living in present, we have done something past, and we will do something in future. So present, past, and future, but present has four different ways in working in itself: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and perfect continuous. Don't try to write a little bit, because we have already written a lot, but we have not understood. Now the term to understand only here, right? So try to understand, open your eyes, open your mind, and try to improve your perception. So present has four subtitles, four parts in itself: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So in present situation, we can divide our actions in four categories, four classes. So first action is that in which we are not confirmed, we don't know that we have done it. Okay, indefinite. Indefinite means not definite. Okay, in present time, if you do anything and you are not confirmed for that, okay, that has been done or not, so that is called indefinite. I read is totally indefinite. Who can say that he's reading? No, he reads. He reads means indefinite action. In this process of wording is not confirmed, is not definite that you have done something. No, no, you read, he reads, he you can say that plays. So he plays, he reads, and I read. Indefinite process of tense. present first. Second, you are in working, you are in process. I am reading, he is reading, they are reading. This process is in, this work is in process. Okay, so continuity in action, you are doing something. So present continuous, present progressive. Okay, so we have different work in our lives. Okay, in different time, in different situation. So first work is indefinite, in which we don't say that we have done it. Okay, in second situation we are doing, we are our work in process. Okay, so called progressive. And third, you have done something, you have done your work. Okay, you have completed your action, so that perfect. Perfect is called that in which you have done something. Okay, you have achieved something, you have paid something, you have gained something. That is called perfect. Perfection is called perfection, so that you have completed. Okay, so present, indefinite, continuous, and perfect. At last, present perfect continuous, it means you have started your work with time. Time may be definite, time may be indefinite, but your work is in process. Now you are doing that. It means you have been reading for 2 hours. It means your work started in past 2 hours and is in process. आप 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहे हो. You have been reading your books for 2 hours. It means your work is in process and you have started in past 2 hours and in present is in work. Okay, is it right? Present is that's it. That's okay. So past, four situations and conditions. So past indefinite, in which you did, but you are not confirmed. You were not confirmed that time you did something. Okay, but you did. You were not confirmed that time you did something. Right. So past indefinite. You can, I played. Okay, I went to school. I did it. I paid something. I helped him. All right. So in this case, you are in totally confusion. You are remembering that you have done something but not in definite situation. So past indefinite. Second form, past continuous, same process but in past. In past time you were in process, your work was in process. Continuity, so past progressive. Past continuous, you were playing, you were doing something, you were going to school yesterday, you can say that. And you were helping someone. Okay, you are paying money for your friends, you can say that. So past perfect, same situation but time is different. In past you have done something in past. Okay, you had helped someone, you had paid something, and you had given something. Okay, so past perfect, in past you have definitely released, you have definitely given something. Okay, and last, past perfect continuous, same situation but difference in time. That it means you have started your work in past and process in past, completely in past. Okay, it means you had been helping your friend, you had been reading your books for 2 hours. आप 2 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रहे थे. The work started in past, process in past, completion in past, everything in past, you can say that. Okay, past work is not related to present work, but present work in present perfect continuous related to past. You have started your work in past 2 hours and pursuing in process present. Okay, under process. But past perfect continuous started in past, completely in past, not a little bit relation with present. That's it. So present, past, and future. Future is also divided same process. Okay, it also follows same process. So future indefinite, but it cannot be mentioned by the scholars who knows about English language properly, because future is totally based on forecast, prediction, but we have to mention about it because it is tense. Okay, so future indefinite, it means in future we will something, but that will not be counted in confirmation. Okay, so future indefinite, I will read, I will help, not confirm. I will help you. No, right? It may be and not. So totally based on imagination. So future indefinite is used as you have used present indefinite, past indefinite. It means in past time, not definite. In present time, not definite. In future time also not definite. Okay, and present future continuous. Some work, some actions will be in process in future. It means you will be doing, okay, you will be reading your books, you will be going there, you will be joining that institute, okay, and etc. Many sentences can be made by you if you want to know about future. And future perfect, same procedure that you have adopted and understood in present and past, that you will have done. Okay, it means in future you can say that perfect will something. Okay, आप कुछ complete कर चुके होगे. You can say that teacher will have taught you. Okay, teacher will have attended the lecture. So perfection in future, perfection in past, perfection in present. Perfection is divided into three times: present perfection, past perfection, and future perfection. Okay, perfection means something has done, something had done, something will be. Okay, at last, future perfect continuous. It means your work will be started in future with time and will be in process in future and under process maybe in next, extend in future. So that the teacher will have been teaching you since morning. The teacher will have been teaching you since morning. सुबह से आपको टीचर पढ़ा रहा होगा. Totally based on hypothesis, inference based, and imagination based. That forecast teacher maybe teach you in future. Okay, so that process starting time in future and process in future and extend into future. Okay, continuity. So completion about it. Okay, in doubt? Not any doubt? How many times we have? How many times we have? Three times. Present, past, and future. Present is divided into four subtimes, and past is also divided into four subtimes, and future is also divided into four. So indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. That you are sitting here. In which tense you are sitting here? So please tell me something. You, Anjali. That you are sitting here. In which tense you are sitting here? You can tell me about tense. I want to practical. Yes. No. Present indefinite is not confirmed, is not definite, but you are definitely sitting here. Okay. So you are sitting here is not in process. Okay. Continuity. Okay. You can count the process that you are going to sit and until now sit. So the process is called continuity. Okay. So present continuous. If you say, I sit here, present indefinite. You are not confirmed, and I'm also not confirmed that you are going to sit here. Okay, so present indefinite. If you say that I sit here, but you are sitting here, you have to say that present continuous, continuous, that you have followed complete process. So please sit down. And you want to read something. Okay, in which tense this process? You want to read something. This process is called in present, past, and future. If you know present, past, future, in which tense, in which subpart? I want to read something because in present time you required something. So your intention is showing here that in present time you want to read something, but you want to read something is declared present tense, but present has four classes. Present indefinite, that you are not reading something, you have not read something, or you have not been reading with time, you want to read something. Present indefinite, not confirmation in it on behalf of you and me, right? So sit down, please. We want a practical of every sentences here. Yeah, Shelley, good students. Everyone is good here. So you have done something here. You have done something here. In which tense you have completed your action? You have read your books. Present. In present, what? You have read something. You have read something that you have completed your action. So it means I'm completely, it means you can say that based of the situation that you have done it. Okay. So present perfect. You have done something. Okay. Not doing something, not wants to do something. It means you have done something. So completion of your action, that you have completed your action, performed your action. So present perfect. All right, sit down. And you, that you have been doing this work with the time. It means you have been sitting here since morning. So in which tense you can say that this process is included? It means you are in process. You are in process with your work, with the time. So this process structure is called, okay, sit down please. Or Ritika. Don't feel hesitate because it's good opportunity to say something and boost your confidence, okay, and achieve acquire your lost situation. Yes, you are in work process. Listen to me carefully first. Your work is in process. Your work is in process with the time in present. So in which tense this process is counted? Very simple prospectus. No, try to understand me. I repeat it. Your work is in process. Your work is in process with time in present. Because process may be past, process may be future. So I have especially mentioned in present with the time your work is in process. So how can you say that it? Which part of present is it? Okay, I repeat it. It means you want to read your book, right? You want to read your book. You are fully intentionally want to work on it. So your work is in process. Okay, you are going to read. Your work is in process. Imagination, please. Imagination. Your work is in process. Your work is in process with the time. Yes, well done. I did this expect from you. Good student. Little later, but understood. Okay, you. You did something in your life. I don't know about you. After that, your perception, your ideas to take this lecture were different. Okay, so nobody knows about it. So you did something in your life. Okay, so in which tense you can cover it? It means you did something. You did performed your action. You performed your action. You did something. You paid something. Okay, you worked something. Okay, so in which tense you can count it? Your work was in process. Your work was in process. Okay, but I say that your work was not in process, not confirmed in past. If your action is not confirmed by anybody, so which title you provide that? If your action is not confirmed by anybody in past, so which title you provide for that? But sit down. If your work is not nominated, if your work is not nominated by anybody in past, not confirmed by anybody, and not in process, not in with the power of time, not completion, so in which category you put your sentence? Past. In which part past? I have told you that many times your work was not in process, not in completion mode, not in with time, but nobody knows about your work that you have done or not. Indefinite, very simple prospectus. And so please sit down. Why do you not understand me? Because I'm saying so. Okay, in past your action was in process. In which tense you will count that? Past continuous. Very good. In first attempt this student is completely solved this question, so please big hands for this student. It's right. Stop. So please don't force. Okay, so very good student, well done. Sit down please. And you, it means your work is completed by anybody and by yourself, in past. So in which category you will put your work in past? Past perfect is very simple. How many features in past perfect that you can say it is past perfect? How can you identify it that is past perfect? Yes. If you find perfection, if you find completion in action, that can be done by anybody, that can be done by you, doesn't matter, it is okay. So based on you. So please sit down. Okay, class. So it means your work is in process. Your work is in process with the time in past. So which category of tense that you define? Past. It is only left so that you can guess past perfect. No, no, it is also intelligent student. Very well. Very well. With the power of time that is known. So very good student, and you are also yes, 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 yes. You can go. Sit down. Well done. Deserving student for clapping, but yes, okay. If you clap, that energy is released. Okay, so energy may be positive, definitely be positive, because it means you have already understood the concept of yes, attrition in science. Okay, gharshan. So present complete, past complete, and future. So I'm going to write a sentence, try to identify it in which tense is it. Okay. So look at this side, please, everyone. I hope that everyone knows about it. It's my own expectations that in which tense this sentence is existed here. Would you like to take a cup of tea? Yes? लेना चाहोगे? अच्छा, लो. If you are interested, so you can take because energy dodge. Okay? अरे नहीं. If you are actually interested, hello, you can take it. So try to identify it. So please, who is one here? Yes. Simple present. How can you say that simple present? Simple present means present indefinite. And present indefinite has 5 structures in itself, different affirmative, interrogative, negative, combined, and force. So in which category you find it? Affirmative, affirmative. And affirmative in. What is the main verb here? M. In which category you put it? M. Do group of verb. You need to find action. M is performing here action or non-action. M is here non-action verb. Okay? Non-action verb. So you have told it that present simple. Absolutely right. Okay, sit down. Very good student. Present indefinite. Present indefinite, but it is found in the category of force. Force, okay? Internal force. I am to go to school. मुझे school जाना है. Not force. You can say that nobody is putting force on you. It's your internal force. You have forced yourself on your internal part. I am to go to school. मुझे school जाना है. Okay? So try to make sentences to take each are. Okay? तो कोशिश कीजिए बनाइए. Take the form of verb is or am. Please try to make more than one sentences. Okay? मुझे पढ़ना है, मुझे पढ़ाना है, मुझे खाना है, मुझे जाना है, मेहमानों को आना है. Okay? So please try to make. Okay. I will take only 5 minutes. After the completion of 5 minutes, you will definitely be free. Okay. Within this period of time, you have to make 4 sentences. Okay, on this part, internal force. It is applicable to all. Each of the students has made four sentences based on internal force. You have to manage it, please, because you can manage. It's no excuse. Can take it. Yes, give this notebook to her and take it, please. Don't create humor, so please take it serious and write something. Create imagination in your mind for four sentences. I will check your innovation and creativity of mind, that how can you create four sentences based on internal force. Yes, you have completed very good. It's a very simple task and everyone must participate in it, that you want to improve your knowledge and improve your innovation and creativity of mind. Very simple, everyone can create, everyone can make. I am to go to school, okay, force, and he is, they are. Those friends have done, so change this sentence. मेहमान आने वाले हैं. How can you convert this in this sentence into English based on this structure, but a little bit change in it, because action in, action is in haste. First, I will check your notebook, and you will get punished definitely. Okay, task is over. You have taken a lot of time because you are in process. Now, Anjali, done, in process. Deepak, yes, completed. And you have confidence that each of the sentences is accurate. Of course. He is to teach here. They are to come here. We are to clean our rooms. Okay, each of the sentences has its different way. You can say that force in itself is to teach here. उसे यहाँ पढ़ाना है. They are to come here. उन्हें यहाँ आना है. We are to clean rooms. हमें rooms clean करने हैं. And I have told you that मेहमान आने वाले हैं. So the process is in haste, okay? Not in stillness. So the guests are near to come. The right answer of this in this sentence is here. The guests are near to come. Okay, don't say are to come. Are to come means stillness, motionless. But in haste action, that is near, about. Instead of it, you have to use here about. About is also right. Both are right. The guests are to come. मेहमानों को आना है. The guests are near to come. मेहमान आने वाले हैं. And the guests are about to come is also right and giving the same sense that you have listened and watched first. Okay, complete. Present indefinite internal force, because each of the tenses has two forces in itself. First external, second internal force. External force means anybody forced you that you have to do it. And internal force, you force yourself that you have to do that. Okay, so external or internal, but here is internal force in present indefinite. Some of the students know about it that present continuous because is mr here, but is mr here is not in the form of helping verb. These helping verbs are in the form of main verb and non-action main verb, because in these actions we are not observing any point of action. Okay, non-action. I am to go to school. मुझे school जाना है. Not an action here. M is not producing a little bit point of action here. Action is here go, process, right? But M is actionless, non-action. Okay, any confusion? No? Very good students, and I hope that you have understood about this prospectus of tense, and very easy, and you will definitely try to understand when you're raised at your home. Okay, so class is dismissed for today, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Keep studying, keep enjoying. Bye guys, and best of luck, and take care of yourself and keep practicing. Okay, wish you all the best. अभी आपका टेस्ट होगा. Test. You will participate in test.